In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Splitwise. Logging out properly is a simple but important step, especially if you share a computer or you're using a public device. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. You can do this by typing the Splitwise web address into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. If you're already signed in, you should see your Splitwise dashboard where your friends, groups, and expenses are listed. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in using your usual details and wait for the main page to load completely. Once you're on the main Splitwise page, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. This is where your profile area is located. You should see your profile name or your email, sometimes along with a small profile picture or icon. This spot is the main menu for your account settings and options. Move your mouse to your profile name in that top right corner and click on it once. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu usually includes a few different options related to your account, such as your settings, profile, or help, depending on the version of Splitwise you're using. Take a second to let that drop-down fully appear so you can see all the choices clearly. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Log Out. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Carefully move your mouse over to Log Out and click it. As soon as you do, Splitwise will sign you out of your account and redirect you away from your personal dashboard. After logging out, you should see either the Splitwise sign-in page or the main marketing page for the site, without your account details visible. This is a good way to confirm that you're completely signed out. If you are on a shared or public computer, it's also a good idea to close the browser tab or window after logging out, just for extra security. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully logged out of Splitwise, keeping your account and your expense information safe until the next time you sign in.